Hey, what's up everybody? It's Yoli. Gonna be doing a quick tutorial here as I learned the hard way, but this is pretty simple to do. We're gonna be changing a battery from a key fob, specifically from a 2018 BMW X4. This should work on any other BMWs that have a very similar type looking key fob. So really simple. Flip it over. Also get a flathead screwdriver right there. You see that button right there? You can push down, push it out. This is the valet key. Move that over to the side. Now, push it over this way, flip it over. The piece right here, see that round piece? You're gonna stick it right next to it to the left. You're gonna stick the screwdriver in and pop. That's it. Now it pops it out, boom. There's the battery, real easy. It's a Sony CR2450. You could get them anywhere, like at a pharmacy or grocery store or even on Amazon. I went ahead to a pharmacy and got the new one, already opened it up. Gonna place it back in, right there, it's nice and snug. First, what you wanna do is then put the key fob back in. Really just slides back in. Boop, you hear that click. Now for this, pretty simple too. You're gonna start from the bottom. You're gonna click it, get it there. Now, you just gotta, that's it. You hear that click, you know it's secured, and you hear that beep. My car is right next to me and it's working. So that's it. That's how to change a key fob battery for a 2018 BMW X4. Thank you.